na neatia ne say me gina nyina na manfo send me messages. I am not official spokesperson for the vice president, but she's more like a mother to me. 3 weeks ago, I was over there at Jubilee House. Or 3 weeks. Now I'm in Jubilee House. Near Tiani said, Metisa Prof said, or Yareda. And a prof in Yarefo. TMA. The media space. And Yama Elcom and a son Yamana man for Canina Ayakushi. And it's a member National Security Coordinator. And Sam George Ministry na Juma na wie no. The fake news na dawson. Publication of fake news na adawson. Prof nya yarefo. Time am many prof besan ye wonya yarefo. Adwe da persona na tirimu no. Ye mrantie akura na ye nya bi. And how what carry no born a bra kwakodu no. President Mahama sebi offer no. And yes, and kwa na ye nipa na wona nisuo. But ohun ade bia e ho ma minimu a oso de beboa. Se prof yare yeso onya stroke. Eso katache fifa so onya stroke. O akwa ya na dwene nya adwuma we kasem na mudi na chi. Ebi se wawu ye nasha frigim. Hey! Ghana, our beloved country. What a country we live in. Professor Nana General Pokwajima, the vice president. So the pastor, oh, me hold the domina, me ko Ghana ha ebia, me pesa me test bi, na test na pesa me ye no. Muni waka de na me ko abrochira, me yarofo. Yeti Akroma yi, yemfa nkrofo nko South Africa, a omenya government event say, appointees enko de bia. Ibrahim Mahama, de bia on twa nkrofo be nfa nkrofo nko abrochira ma. So, your system no investment be na kufuado. And then nkrofo for 8 years no. Yen hospitals no. Investment papa be no me for the hospitals. It is some nkrofo kan. Prof yare, wanya stroke, prof wu, ho nyina no. Aye krodo rada sam, enya no kre. Ne ho den se tratatai. No bedru krom ha na mbehunu. Already yesu. Enti who agenda be against the vice president. Fashion obotom. Don't wish obini death. Na mate lawyer Maurice Ampaw. Sa lawyer no na dwene nya papa. Mento sabi. School no ko ebe ye law no. Mo lawyer fo ku no. The lawyer be atimi ko tra. Me say National Security Minister and coordinator. When some George mo adwuma ye. The media space. Mo adwuma ye. Eti Prof Nursery. And someone mo kanyina otibi. Na ne sere. Eti kamini wan kabachini ye. And someone mo kanyina de mo ka. Ni e woman ni endrim nyina no. Ote o sere mo. Eti se minni wa anti machini ye. Na me ko hospital bi na me ye test na test ye se muni wa ka de me ko ankoye mra. Eno no edan me ye yarefo. En for not say ye na to ho eche mu and I did not to structure so to play mu. Obi akwajima Friday. Ye tia na mo se asante bedi eto ne homa nyina twa asante bedi eto nya no kita pon de dia kufa do birthday chi no. Men can send bebrebe. Now, if an agenda by Ankrophobia, the agenda not a backfire. A backfire. Now, some of them what? Some of them what? And three. You see, I'm not say. Your message we 2:30 yana by. I wanted to confirm the story I had. Is it true that our vice president is gone? 2:30 messages are coming to me. Me nyajuma the vice president office. My man no personal relationship as mother and son. As mother and son. And that Anna or the yama me so me the yamano. The fun is or family send ba. Oshia me bia obema too. Obe bomb me because only more da me de dono and me so more da. The vice president e mame. The weekend the messages in the boban name sere. She's alive. No one thing. Onye yarefo. What is mama yareda? Na yenye campaign kwa pen na mna ye wie na transition nie appointment nie etini pakase metwem ho kakra bi a we e ma ne ye yarefo. Akufo dunya 81. Akufo 81 years. Obedi Ghana so at age of 72. Ko Namibia president Oyoba, vice president Oyoba. Namibia speaker of parliament Oyoba. Go and check their age. Emissary etika ekarachinie na obi akwakofa akaba NDC for ni aka one is in the election ba kopa eno for Tamils 96 meboa I don't know quite Tamils 10 ho ba 2000 with kufo etakakra wo kana se maka wodi akaba time NDC hu. It doesn't watch. I don't know history nana. Money history no. Almost baby they bought the sitting president, so they want to link him. And then this in the central region, and I don't know how. And hey, me say Prof. Same way said me say you fake pastors. Me say asre or sremo. You fake pastors about Akroma. Anna, obisa spiritually we weak. Anna, no, we so wa she na adan. I confirm Akroma anka saka yi. Your friends Kofi papa yi. Kofi papa yi. Ye dia dro na win elections a. Kwakubo Sam anka president. Ye dia dro na win elections a Kwakubo Sam president. And then e se hunu yi. Near that Tamil Saba when Atamils died, one more no more Atamils no Prof. Samuel the late Mills the situation. Me akofa misata ba amisata ofimu no now onye vice president to now a former vice president. Wadi adia wi am the party alusu akwa wo born private life. And the unfortunate incident this year. So why do you link? Sa incident na sisi nyina no to nipa baako to a certain party. Na region no and central for what kind of nonsense is that? The late Amisata nyame fa ne kransie oti ase oti ompe no wasam donipa enso wuye ense hunu ne kan wona chi papa no ehunu na konya so papa no wuye no a former vice president wone jo mama ne bedi kan so ya wiye ya lusu elections jo mama ko de fie Amisata aso ti de fie obi abone bra eti ne besi obi achi ne nyo obi asem but kind of for kansam ya de to nipa so na prof say me ko ha me hwa me ho yare o ha o ene me ho dodo me o ne ene ma de ba bi ni ha ma ene he fa nko ha ene no hey what that structure so ebi so onya stroke anopam so onya stroke no obi a owu o hye fridge mu no o sanya stroke ma na yiye ma dwene nya dwuma na ma dwene nya dwuma na obi a homa mu so wu nipa owu o sanya stroke eti ho eche mu adwene nya dwuma wana so yare na when say yade depart to them. Mama, baby obi amechia o. Greetings. Atamfu nyame. Na oba omani bewu, mimi nim da baba. Oba omani bewu. Atamfu nyame. Greetings to baby obi a. Nyame kan ho. Na onfa America ye ho asomdiem. Yankwaje nkrato mra. Ye ba beto aso.
ASEM dwumade ne hyase moma hanya kom yedamwase say the Men Club of Ghana ye haw ne nyina to atwa enhwehwemu a mode hye men sasa men koye no Ghana fo nya agyatom se free na kwadie adu papa epo ma ye gyina nan so ene Zipman capsule panyai wo ga ti dene eno ne adura Solak Herbal Clinic akofa ba amani pa nyina agyatom se Zipman capsules be ma wotime nyina ne nan so mo aduma ye be ma ne sisiye ne ya eno ne adu papa epo ama wode aso se twan Zipman capsules nemo monkai so be only 18 years enom Zipman capsules
oba enso gugu no ane enkabone ewonu hu no onum Solak mesha na yirem kra
bema ensonso gugu baby na ensonso free baby ho ba no unya Solak mesha ebetu ni nyina ase ama oba wafa yefuno oba omanofo na sakoda.
Because I'm a businessman, the first question I ask myself is that how can ECG award a contract? And when the contract is awarded, all the person does is deliver at the port, present bill of lading, and request for payment. I said, with the greatest respect, I don't want to use a word. This is Parliament. I was shattered. I said, how? And ECG would have to pay. So I realized that ECG was paying a lot of bills when they have not even had access to the goods. And when you ask them, I asked the procurement manager, director of procurement, a question. I said, why did he say, oh, chairman, this is the practice since. This is the practice. And they will bring you document. I listened to honorable member for Second-D, lawyer, you from Second-D, Kesi meeting. And I am adopting his submissions as though they were mine. The time has come. This politics, somebody says MPP, NDC, it's a system problem that I will any day support this minister to embark on reforms.
The most important one has to do with the whereabouts of those containers.
Indeed.
The briefing I got this morning, and let me comment the National Security Operatives and the law enforcement agencies. The information I got this morning is that already they've traced about 40 of them to a particular terminal or warehouse in Pung, which belongs to an Indian man of extraction, and they've confiscated all the 40 containers, and they are moving them to a secured location. The man indicates that those containers were sold to him last year. And so that's a subject of a matter of investigation, and the law enforcement agencies would ensure that the law takes its course. There are also reports of some other areas that they are picking intelligence. They will trace all of them, retrieve all the containers as soon as possible, and put the perpetrators before the courts of competent jurisdiction. Let me just sound that when we start prosecuting these people, let nobody come to say we are witch hunting. These are properties of the states. Every legitimate and legal means to ensure that we retrieve them and to hold all those